LaCantina Doors is dedicated to creating products that open spaces. We offer folding, sliding, swing door, and window products to blur the boundaries from indoors and out, room to room, for a healthier, more comfortable lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore the different material options for your personal style and performance needs for your region. Aluminum offers a sleek aesthetic with narrow profiles for maximum glass and natural light. Aluminum's inherent conductivity of heat and cold transfer from the inside to outside lends itself best for milder weather conditions. Due to extreme temperatures and weather in the cold and mountainous regions, aluminum is a more popular low-maintenance solution for interior applications and non-primary openings, such as patio enclosures. When coordinating your door and window systems to the rest of your home design, LaCantina understands the value in providing our customers with a wide range of in-stock and custom color options to suit any style. Need to match a color not listed? No problem. We'll custom color match. If you're seeking a similar contemporary aesthetic of aluminum but need additional thermal performance, check out our aluminum thermally controlled system. Aluminum thermally controlled offers a clean contemporary aesthetic with narrow profiles, offering more glass and light with enhanced thermal design. Our aluminum thermally controlled system is a performance-driven system engineered to withstand more extreme temperatures and keep your home comfortable during the tough winter months and cool during the scorching summertime. If you live in a mountainous region where extreme drops in temperature occur, you can rest assured that our aluminum thermally controlled system features a non-conductive thermal strut to minimize the transfer of heat and cold to the interior of the home and will keep the ideal temperature you set for yourself inside. Aside from being a high-performance driven material option, this system's proprietary design allows you to select a different color for your exterior and interior panels for maximum design flexibility. LaCantina offers a range of performance options to choose for high-velocity hurricane zones and areas requiring impact-rated products. Aluminum wood boasts enhanced thermal performance when size matters. Available across all system types, aluminum wood offers enhanced thermal performance ideal for oversized openings in colder regions. Featuring a low-maintenance aluminum exterior for protection against outside elements and the warmth of natural wood in the interior, this material option is engineered for extra-large door panels and is great for keeping your home comfortable during winter months. Standard and custom wood species are available to suit any architectural style. You can custom match any color or easily select from a wide range of popular in-stock and optional colors. Contemporary Clad is one of the most innovative and aesthetically pleasing open space products in the market for colder regions. When facing extreme drops in temperature or stringent codes, energy performance is crucial. The Contemporary Clad is our most energy efficient system and features a low-maintenance aluminum exterior to combat outside elements and a natural wood core for added thermal performance. This system is offered in both square and sculpted profile options and is available in a variety of wood species and color options to suit any architectural style. Can't find the color you need? We'll match your custom color. Due to its ability to meet the most stringent energy codes, Contemporary Clad is an ideal open space solution to keep you and your loved ones active and comfortable year-round. LaCantina's original wood system is a timeless classic and serves as a natural thermal barrier for optimal energy efficiency. Wood is an ideal option for cold environments due to the insulated properties of the system. It offers better thermal protection from the outside climate due to its all-wood core. Available in our folding and swing systems, standard wood options include vertical grain Douglas fir and mahogany. We also offer a range of custom wood species to suit any architectural design. Our all-wood system is perfect for that traditional style.